In this video we would like to show how you can create a table control which is able to display the contents of an array which has several properties, and it will show it in a table and you can scroll it. You can display or also modify the elements of the array. In our project we'll open an existing page and add the table control, which is in this library, so it can be found here. You press table control, press OK, and now the macro is inserted. The macro has a configuration dialog. With a double click you can open this dialog, which explains you what exactly you have to configure. First, we modify the title. The first column will be called text, and the second column will be the value which we will display from the array. Then we can configure the first and the second column by assigning an array from our PPO lists. So this array of struct could look like this. It has an array of 20 elements containing properties, name, option, unit, and value. We will now add for the first column such a name, value name, data point name. What we have to do is to separate the existing name. So the prefix will just be the name of the struct until the index, and we have to remove the suffix and copy it to the other edit field. Then we'll have to delete the array index, because this will be generated automatically. We will do the same thing for the second column using the value. Copy this and remove the array index. So the control is now configured. We make a deploy to our SCADA server. So the deploy was successful. We reload our newly created user interface, and we see the array is here, is displayed. We can scroll and we can edit, modify the contents of our array elements. Same with the value. So the next thing is we would like to add another column to this array. To do so, we will ungroup the macro. We will select one column, moving it a little bit narrower. We make a copy paste and insert the pasted subgroup. And we'll now go to Crossref, and we see the contents of the different references which is in this column. So what we would like to do now is to change the property value with the property options. To do so, we'll write .value and the replace string will be .options. We press the change button, and so this column now points to the different values in the array. We change the title also, so this will do the trick. We make the deploy to the target system, reload it, and now we have our new column showing options, which is also editable.